What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So today finally I had some time to be in the shop. I didn't have no time. I was at work working 6 days a week ever since this this, I don't call it this, conflict with Russia and Ukraine. Been working my butt off, but today I finally have some time to get the car driving. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it driving and running perfect. I had a little situation with the IAC, as you can see. I had to take the throttle body off. The IAC didn't want to cooperate, so what I'm doing is just cleaning it up. See, because it's a little bit stuck. I checked and it's a little stuck. As you can see, I started already loosening those bolts. So I can take this out and it helps me rotate that thing. So I'm gonna get this clean, get it back together, and then turn on the car and see if it does all the stupidity that it was doing. So yeah, we'll get this done and get back to you guys. IX is plugged in, GPS, and map. And now, turn it on and see what happens. Hopefully it stopped doing what it was doing. Alright, let's get this baby started. Yes, I know it's dirty. It's been parked in the shop, of course. But let's connect the battery and start the car and see if it works. got a little stuff that I gotta tune out, but this baby feels really good. Really good. Even though it's got a check engine light, but we'll find out what it is and see what the heck is going on with the little stuff. And as you see, the car is driving, it feels good, and it's changing gears pretty good. The clutch, the brakes is a little too soft. I think it needs bleeding. I gotta bleed the brakes, but that's no problem. But she is driving perfect. So guys, it's a short video, but I gotta cut it right here. So like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.